Nature the gentlest mother is,
impatient of no child,
the feeblest of the waywardest.
Her admonition mild, in forest and the hill,
by traveller be heard,
restraining rampant
restraining rampant squirrel,
or too impetuous bird.
How fair her conversation,
a summer afternoon,
her household, her assembly,
and when the sun go down,
her voice among the isles,
incite the timid prayer of the minutest cricket,
the most unworthy flower.
when all the
children sleep,
She turns
as long away,
as will suffice,
to light her lamps,
them bending from the sky.
with infinite affection, and infinite care,
her golden finger on her lip,
Will silence
everywhere.